Updating your payment information on Amazon Prime is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the Amazon website or open the Amazon app. Click on the Sign In button and enter your email address and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once signed in, hover over the Accounts and Lists option at the top right corner of the page. Click on your account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Access payment options. In your account settings, find and click on the Your Payments option. This will take you to a page where you can view and manage your payment methods. Step 4. Update payment information. On the Your Payments page, you can add a new payment method or edit existing ones. To update, click on the Edit button next to the payment method you want to change, or select Add a payment method to input new details. Step 5. Save changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Now you are all set with your updated payment information. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Amazon customer support for assistance.